Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone camera not working after iOS update. If you have updated your iOS and you're facing the issue that your back camera is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to first close your apps. Just swipe up from here and then close your app from recent apps. Then go ahead to your settings app here, go to general. Go to software update. You have to check for any latest software update. If you want any pending update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back from here and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up and then volume down. Then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes to the black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go ahead to your settings app again. Go to privacy and security section. And here look for camera. You have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle for every of your single app. So after enabling this toggle, just go back from here, go to screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions, and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling the restrictions, just go back and here go to general section, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone settings, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting all of your iPhone settings, your issue must have to be fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to try to check your iPhone's camera hardware if it's physically damaged or not. If you might see that your iPhone camera is physically damaged, so you have to try to repair your iPhone camera, or if it's not damaged but still say facing the same issue, so you can try to downgrade your iOS version, or you can also try to contact with the Apple support team to get official help. Now to do that, you have to simply open your Apple support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use Apple support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, then select camera, and here just wait for the loading. Then scroll down, tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.